This 2024 Forest River Aurora 3.4 BHTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Alvin, Texas, 77511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a Seaport Dusk interior, sleeps 6, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.